Step 32. Installation of cutting head. Prepare the necessary materials. Clean any dust or foreign particles from the guide rails before installing the honeycomb protective cover. Remove the sheet metal and drag chain cover for the Z-axis. Remove the long sheet metal for the X-axis. Place the laser emitter into the main bed. Secure the cutting head. Fix the yellow fiber optic cable of the laser emitter from the drag chain to the buckle and inside the sheet metal. Secure it to the drag chain buckle of the Y-axis. Organize the yellow fiber optic cable neatly. Install the sheet metal components. Install the previously removed sheet metal components. Install the drag chain cover. Connect the water tubes and wires for the cutting head. Install the previously removed drag chain cover and sheet metal components. Install the amplifier for the cutting head. Connect the wires on top of the amplifier and the RF cable below. Demonstrate the completed installation.